it's me again. I'm gonna cook another very simple dish, which is chicken cabbage stir fry. Okay, so we need salt, black pepper, oyster sauce, and then the soy sauce, cabbage, chicken marinated with soy sauce, black pepper, and then garlic, onion, spring onion. To start, we're gonna saute the garlic. And then the onions, the spring onions, we're gonna add the chicken. Soy sauce, and then guys, we're gonna simmer this one for a few minutes hanggang maluto ang manok. Okay, and then cover first. Okay, guys, the chicken is cooked already, so it's time for the cabbage. Add the cabbage. Okay, guys, look at this one. Super yummy. Okay, so we're gonna cover for 1 minute and we'll be right back. But that one, our chicken cabbage stir fry is done. Okay, and then I'm gonna garnish it again. And then I'm gonna off the heat. Okay, now it's tasting time. Okay. Okay guys, that's our chicken cabbage stir fry is done. It's super yummy. It's very simple. It's easy to make, okay, and affordable also. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Brew Jack, to my Instagram, _brew_jack, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.